Hi everyone, welcome to Ata Game Store in Sibiu in Romania. Thanks to Sebastian for letting us visit him and use his shop. Going to do a quick unboxing of a bag of Dungeon Legends 2 Relics, the new adventure pack. Let's go. Okay, what have we got? We got dice, we've got elemental crystals, we've got a rule book. Everything you need to know is in there. We've got another rule book for a solo game that we've got punch boards, including new items that you can actually upgrade by spending skill points and turning them over and making them more powerful. We've got other punch boards. We've got a three-way start tile. We've got a big new baddie for Paths of the Ancients, the new expansion, Trantor the Spider Queen. We've got her lieutenants in evilness, the Root Lord Guardians. You don't want to be facing them. We've got three new characters. Volos the Damned, Brumbleroot the Forest Dweller, and Ash the Half Dragon. We've got a super shiny royal new character, Lady Sienna. Good to have on your side. We got destiny cards for the three new characters plus all of the characters in Bag of Dungeon 2. If you've got that, we've got some fate cards that help determine some random events that you're going to be playing throughout the game. Paths of the Ancients is the new expansion within here that you can play with any game, bod 1 or bod 2. And in there you're going to be facing various trials depending on the tiles that you land on. You'll either be facing these trials or you'll be facing the Root Lord Guardians. These are the little portals that you place over the monster tiles in the main games. Then of course we have the fantastic little solo game, Lost Dungeons. Literally, you've got to fight your way through 5 evil dungeons, one at a time, map 1, then onto map 2, then onto map 3, then onto map 4, finally map 5, and the big baddie at the end, Gravejaw, the undead dragon. Complete all of that and you will have free beer in the Wasted Wisdom Tavern every time you go in there. And that is Bag of Dungeon Legends 2 Relics Adventure Pack.